Hi friends, today we are going to draw and paint this beautiful doll house together. It's super easy and fun. There are so many dolls living inside. Let's start. First, we are going to draw three triangles for the roof and then join them together. Now I am going to draw the walls of the house. This house has 6 rooms. Let's draw the windows. Now I am going to draw the first bedroom. Let's draw a bed and 2 nightstands. Now I am going to draw the bathroom. I love drawing doll houses. It's super easy and fun. Now I am going to draw the second room. This room is going to be a little girl's bedroom. Now let's draw the living room. I am drawing a sofa. Let's draw the painting on top. Now I am going to draw the TV in the living room. Oh, look! The TV is looking so much fun. Now let's move to the kitchen. Oh look, something is cooking on the stove. Now I am going to draw the stairs. Our dolls are going to be so happy when they see this house. Just wait a little more. And ta-da! Look! Our dolls are here. Oh wow, they have a puppy too. They look so happy. They are going to have so much fun in the house. I am going to color the roofs with orange color. Purple. This house is so beautiful and colorful. I would love to live in a house like this. It looks super fun. Yellow. Now let's move to the first room. I am painting the wall with sky blue color. Because the Barbie living in this room loves sky blue color. It's her favorite color, that's why we are painting the roof with sky blue. She is going to love it. Look, she already looks happy. All the dolls live happily here. Wow, first room is almost complete. It looks so good and colorful. I love it. Do you like it? Let's move to the second room. It's a bathroom. Oh, look, their water is running. It looks so cool. I love this bathroom. The Barbies are going to love it. This house looks super fun. I love drawing doll houses. Do you like it? Oh, look, there are some fairy lights in the bathroom. Wow, it looks super cool. Now let's move to the next room. A little girl lives in this room. We are going to draw the back wall with yellow color because the little girl loves yellow color. She is going to love it so much. Oh look, she already looks happy. Let's color the drawer. Wow, the bed looks super cool and colorful. I like it so much. Which room is your favorite? Wow, the painting looks super cool. It's a glitter heart. Do you have a doll house in your room? I love doll houses so much. When I was a little kid, I had a doll house. I used to play with it all the time. Now let's move to the living room. Let's paint the back wall first. Our Barbies love this color, that's why we are painting with this color. They are going to have super fun. Let's paint the painting. The living room looks so good. I love it so much. Do you like it? Let's paint the sofa. I am loving this doll house so much. I would love to live in it. It looks super fun. Now let's color the stairs. The dog looks so happy to live here. Do you have a pet? I have 4 cats. They all love hanging out on the stairs. Stairs is their favorite spot. Wow, Wow, it is looking good. I love drawing stairs. Oh, look, we have some cool fairy lights on the stairs. We have just one more room left. Let's finish the kitchen quickly and then we are done. Something is cooking on the stove. I can't wait to see what's in it. Do you like this dollhouse? I love it so much. Wow, it's almost done. I love this dollhouse so much. All the dolls living inside look so happy. They are going to have so much fun here. Ta-da! It's complete. Do you like it? I love it so much. It looks super cool and magical. See you next time. Bye.